Are you selling your product and services through webinar? In this pandemic situation, everybody is on digital media. Those of you who are already present on digital media are trying to make their product and services much more effective. And those of you who are not present on the digital media, today have no option but to be on a digital media. Hi, my name is Sunil, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 steps on how you can make a successful webinar and effectively sell your product and services through webinar. So let's dive in. How you can create a successful webinar. The step number 1 is to start with end in mind. You should always have a specific purpose for the design. The webinar which you are going to make, what is the purpose of that webinar? Is it going to be a marketing webinar where you're going to market your product and services? It is going to be a sales webinar where you're going to sell product and services. Is it going to be an onboarding webinar where you are taking people on board for a specific purpose? Or whether it is going to be a Q&A webinar where you're going to answer the question of your prospects. Step number 2 is create a compelling big idea. You need to create a compelling big idea and not look at your customers as leads only. You should have a very attractive outcome in your mind. You should create an idea to attract them. And you should always be solving their problem. If you have this idea at the core, your webinar is going to be very successful. Step number 3 is to respect their time. Your prospect's time is going to be very precious. They are not attending your webinar for the first time. They have attended many more webinars before, and they have come to your webinar after attending those webinars. So you need to be concise and focused, and you need to be short and powerful. You also have a responsibility for their time, and you need to value their time during the webinar. Step number 4 is to incorporate analytics. Now, analytics are a set of tools which you can incorporate in a webinar to derive certain value as to how your webinar is performing. Now, with the analytics, you can learn and improve, and with this learnings, you can tailor your content for a specific requirement of your audience, or you can add an additional strategic content so that it becomes much more useful to your audience. Step number 5 is to be live and interactive. During a webinar, the one best factor is that you will be live and interactive. It is as good as sitting before your client and solving their problem. So you need to ask a lot of questions. You need to explain the concept very clearly to them, and you should look for objections. So these are the 5 steps. Let us review once again how you can create a successful webinar. Step number 1 is to start with end in mind. Step number 2 is creating a compelling big idea. Step number 3 is to respect their time. Step number 4 is to incorporate analytics to review and help yourself improve. And step number 5 is to be live and attractive. So if you found this useful, I want you to comment below. And if you're looking for similar content, please stay tuned. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 people sell their product and services through webinar much more effectively. So please stay tuned, and thank you.